Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to manage topics on TikTok so you can take control of the content you see every day. Step 1. First, take your phone and open the TikTok app. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access all the features smoothly. Step 2. Next, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap the profile icon to open your personal TikTok profile page. Step 3. Once you're on your profile, head to the top right corner. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on them to access the main menu. Step 4. In this menu, scroll down until you find the option that says Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to move forward with managing your content settings. Step 5. Now that you're inside Settings and Privacy, scroll again until you see Content Preferences. Tap that option to get closer to managing your feed topics. Step 6, inside the Content Preferences section, you'll find the Manage Topics option. Click on it and you'll see a list of topics you can personalize and control. Step 7, at this point, you can manually adjust your topic preferences based on your interests. Once you're done, don't forget to hit the Save button at the top to confirm your changes. And just like that, you've successfully managed topics on TikTok. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.